so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel and happy Wednesday. So today's video is something so exciting because midway through March I signed up for the Lush subscription box and I thought I was going to get April's, but I didn't, so I've been waiting a month and a half for this and the day is finally here. So 1 month after this was released, I am finally joining the bandwagon and I'm going to be doing the Lush subscription box unboxing videos. You'll be getting one of these every single month from me and I hope you guys enjoy because this costs about £38 every single month. So I'm doing this for you. I've had that box in my room since about Tuesday and it is now Saturday. So the fact I've not opened this, watched any videos whatsoever, I've got some kind of, I think I deserve an award or something because that is just serious control, I'm telling you. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right in. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So I don't actually have any scissors, so I am going to open my box with some tweezers and we're going to see what's inside. So once you open the box, this is what it looks like. You get the 12 months of kitchen leaflet, which I'm not going to look at because I do believe there are spoilers on the back. So I'm going to pop that down and I'm going to take all of these off. So the first thing in the box is this tote bag. This is a really beautiful green tote bag. I love Lush tote bags. I use one at the moment as a work bag, but I probably could do with a new one because that one is really gross and dirty. So I am very much in need of this. Great for shopping, great for anything really, and I think it's a nice addition. So yeah, tote bag. Not much else I can say about it, but it's cute, it's green, we love it. Okay. The first thing we've got is a shower gel. Now I'm really glad they've put a shower gel in this box because I feel like it makes it more worthwhile, especially because it's about £40. These are usually £10 to £15 anyway, so super happy they popped this one in. This is the Avo shower gel and this is lemongrass, bergamot and rich avocado. Now I think I've had this before. I can't quite remember, but I know that it's Avo Bath scented. In terms of ingredients, this one has lemongrass infusion, sea salt, bergamot oil, lemongrass, avocado oil, and cornstarch. I guess that's what gives it that like gloopy texture, but I'm not really sure. That smells delicious though. So the next item in the box is an absolute classic. This is the Aqua Mirabilis Body Scrub Butter. Smells like biscuits. I used to love this when I worked at Lush. They used to have this alongside Buffy. And it just smells like digestives, which is the weirdest thing to describe it as, but it does smell like digestives. Smells really, really good though. And again, it's full with rich body butter. Full of rich body butters and scrubs. Works very similar to Buffy, so melts on the skin and just exfoliates, but that smells amazing. In terms of ingredients, Aqua Mirabilis has cocoa butter, almond shells, and sandalwood oil. And the almond shells is what gives it that nice exfoliant, so yeah, definitely smells like digestives though, I'm not gonna lie. The next item in the box, shut up. If you watched my Lush Q&A video that I filmed a few weeks ago, you will know that one of the items I said that I wish Lush would bring back was Yuzu and Cocoa Bubble Rune. And as if Lush have heard me, and they've made Yuzu and Cocoa Bubble Rune. Oh my god. I haven't smelt this in years. I'm so excited to smell it. Oh my god. Okay, I can't even describe to you what this smells like. It's got like fine sugar on it. It smells like cocoa butter, chocolate, like, oh, it's so good. Oh, it's making me a bit emotional, I love that. Oh, it's one of my absolute favourite bubble bars ever. In terms of ingredients for Yuzu and Cocoa, this one has a cream of tartar, cornstarch, cocoa butter, avocado butter, Tonka Absolute, grapefruit oil, agave syrup, avocado, and bergamot oil. So good. Oh, I'm so glad I signed up for the kitchen, honestly. Love that. The next item we've got in the box is this bath bomb. Now this looks incredible. This is the rollable bath bomb, or the roller bath bomb I think it's called. This one to me smells like Yummy Mummy. I think that is the right scent family, I hope anyway, but definitely smells like Yummy Mummy to me. And ingredients wise, this one has cocoa butter, orange oil, Tonka Absolute, and I think that's kind of it. Cream of tartar. Yeah, that's about it, but it smells like Yummy Mummy, and I'm so excited to see what's inside because, I don't know, I really hope there's like a nice colour inside. Oh, that smells delish. So good. And last but not least, we have this bath bomb here. This is called Diamond Dust, and inside this one it has cream of tartar, neroli oil, ylang ylang oil, sandalwood oil, black pepper, vetiver oil, and soybean powder. Oh, this smells very spa-like. Like, this sounds really weird, but it's very woody, very smoky. Like, when I smell it, I feel like, I don't know, so rich, like floral, woody, smoky, I don't know. It smells, oh, it's on my face. That smells really good though. For somebody who doesn't like garden smells, that's really nice because it's not really gardeny, it's almost got a really deep, rich, smoky kind of scent. I really like that. That one's really good. So considering this was my first box, I'm actually really impressed with the quantity and with the items. Obviously we did get the tote bag, but you got 5 really beautiful items in this: a shower gel, body scrub, 3 bath products. I maybe would have liked to have seen something different as opposed to 2 bath bombs, but I am really impressed with the selection, and I'm so excited to be doing this every single month. I really think it's worth it, especially I don't do any subscription boxes. I've never done a subscription box ever. I've never done like any beauty subscription boxes or anything like that. So this is something so exciting, so up my street, and yeah, I'm so excited to use these products. I cannot wait. Let me know down below whether you've subscribed to the Lush subscription box or whether you want to, and let me know your thoughts and opinions on this month's box. I would give this month's box a solid 9 out of 10. I absolutely love everything, and the fact they put a Yuzu and Cocoa Bubble Rune in this like selection just tipped me over the edge. I'm so excited to use that. It's one of my favourites, and it has been for such a long time. So yeah, I'm really pleased with the selection. So anyway, that is everything for today's video. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and let me know whether you're excited for this to be a monthly occurrence on the channel. I'm so excited, and yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to subscribe and also enter my ongoing giveaway at the moment. I would really love for you guys to enter, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!